Hello, everybody. It's Zach here from realestatelicensewizard.com. Today is a special day. We are excited to announce our new series here on YouTube where we discuss and go over a real estate exam question every day. That's right, every day, or Monday through Friday at least. So, this video and whole series is great for anyone preparing for the real estate exam. So, make sure to click that like button and subscribe. That way, you can be fully prepared for your real estate exam. Anyways, let's jump right into it. So, I figured we could start off the series with a pretty basic question on property law. So, the question goes, which of the following best describes real property? So, I'm going to go ahead and underline that real property. So, hopefully by now you guys understand the difference between real property and personal property. If not, it's okay. We're going to go over that briefly here in this video. And of course, we do have more resources on our channel about real property and personal property. So, feel free to check those out as well. So, this question is, which of the following best describes? Keep in mind the exam, they like to put questions like this where it says best describes or choose the best answer. And when you're answering questions like that, you just need to think in the back of your head, okay, some of these questions could be right, or I'm sorry, some of these answers could be right, but you have to choose the best one. And I'll explain that a little bit later after we read through some of these answers. So, A, all things attached to the land and all the legal rights to it. Is it B, all things removable, like clothes, lawnmowers, couches, TVs, and furniture? Is it C, all trees or bushes connected to the land? Or is it D, bonds or intellectual property? So, which of the following best describes real property? So, if you guys do want to take a minute or, 30 seconds, whatever you guys need, feel free to pause the video, read over the answers one more time. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to dive right into the answer. So the answer is A. It's A. It's all things attached to the land and all the legal rights to it. So, in terms of real property, it's usually things that are immovable, such as the home itself or maybe the buildings within the property line. Now, there are some exceptions of items that maybe can be moved but are still real property. And this is especially relevant for businesses. So, for example, maybe you have a farm business. That would include crops, maybe the barns themselves, the stables, things like that. That could be considered real property. So you might see these options here and you say, oh, lawnmowers. Well, lawnmowers, that technically could be real property if it was for a business. But again, these are which the following best describes. So obviously things like regular clothes and lawnmowers, couches, TVs, that would be personal property, not real property. And then if you go down to D, you see here bonds or intellectual property. That's going to be personal property. Now, of course, intellectual property could be connected to a business where it could be real property, but again, it's not specific enough. It doesn't say, intellectual property for a business. That's not an option here. So we have to choose the one that's the best describing, and that, of course, is option A. It's all things attached to the land and all the legal rights to it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for our daily real estate exam question. Our first one. If you didn't like the video already or subscribe, please do. Keep informed, keep watching. And like I said, we're going to be rolling these out Monday through Friday. So, hopefully you guys stay tuned for more. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, I'm Zach from realestatelicensewizard.com. As always, make today magical.